In this video, we will discuss about Class 7 Science Chapter 1 Nutrition in Plants MCQs questions. Question number 1. The process of taking food and utilization of that food is called A. Ingestion, B. Digestion, C. Absorption, or D. Nutrition. Correct answer is D. Nutrition. Now, question number 2. Plants that make their own food are called A. Hosts, B. Parasites, C. Autotroph, or D. Heterotrophs. The correct answer is C. Autotroph. Autotrophs are the plants that make their own food with the help of air, water, sunlight in the presence of chlorophyll. Question number 3. Name the simple carbohydrate produced by plants in the process of photosynthesis. A. Glucose, B. Protein, C. Fat, and D. Oxygen. The correct answer is A. Glucose. The stoma is surrounded by a pair of A. Guard cells, B. Stomata, C. Human cells, or D. Animal cells. The correct answer is A. Guard cells. Question number 5. The tiny pipe-like vessels which transport water from the roots of a plant to its leaves are called A. Veins, B. Cells, C. Roots, or D. Xylem. The correct answer of this question is D. Xylem. Question number 6. Which substance absorbs light energy from sun and supplies this energy to leaves for photosynthesis? A. Soil, B. Water, C. Algae, D. Chlorophyll. The correct answer is D. Chlorophyll. Question number 7. To remove the chlorophyll from leaf, we need to boil the leaf into A. Water, B. Alcohol, C. Diesel, or D. Oil. Correct answer is B. Alcohol. Question number 8. The glucose carbohydrate is made up of A. Carbon, B. Hydrogen, C. Oxygen, or D. All of these. Correct answer is D. All of these. Question number 9. The water-soluble nitrogen compounds which are absorbed by the plant from soil along with water is A. Phosphorus, B. Nitrogen gas, C. Nitrates, or D. Potassium. The correct answer is C. Nitrates. Question number 10. Plants that cannot make their own food are called A. Autotrophs, B. Heterotrophs, C. None of these, or D. Host. The correct answer is B. Heterotrophs. Question number 11. Cuscuta is A. Parasite, B. Host, C. All of these, or D. Saprophyte. So Cuscuta is a parasite, and the saprophytes are the plants that got their nutrition from death and decaying matters. Some more examples of parasite are given. Question number 12. Another name of Cuscuta plant is A. Wheat rust, B. Corn smut, C. Lichen, or D. Dodder. Correct answer is D. Dodder. Question number 13. Which one is the example of saprophyte plant? As we know that saprophyte plants are those who got their nutrition from death and decaying matter. So answer is A. Mushroom. Algae is a symbiotic plant and pitcher plant is insectivorous. China rose is a autotroph. Question number 14. Which of the following is used to make alcohol? A. Lichens, B. Mushrooms, C. Bread mold, or D. Yeast. Correct answer is D. Yeast. Question number 15. The plants that obtain their food from insects are called A. Saprophyte, B. Symbiotic, C. Insectivorous, or D. Algae. Right answer is C. Insectivorous. Question number 16. Which one is the example of insectivorous plant? A. Sundew, B. Mushroom, C. Mango, or D. Cuscuta. The correct answer is A. Sundew. Some examples of insectivorous are given. Question number 17. Which one is not the example of insectivorous plant? Venus flytrap, B. corn smut, C. pitcher plant, or D. bladderbird. Correct answer is B. corn smut. Question number 18. Nutrition between rhizobium bacteria and leguminous plant is A. saprophytic, B. autotrophic, C. insectivorous, or D. symbiotic. So answer of this question is symbiotic. Now, what is rhizobium bacteria and leguminous plant? Rhizobium bacteria is a type of bacteria found in plants called leguminous. They converts nitrogen gas into nitrogen compounds, and some examples of leguminous plants are gram, peas, and pulses. Question number 19. Which one is the main nutrients required by the plant? A. potassium, B. phosphorus, C. all of these, or D. nitrogen. Answer is C. all of. Question number 20. Rhizobium bacteria is not found in which plant? A. gram, B. peas, C. pulses, D. mushroom. Correct answer is D. mushroom. Question number 21. Which organism is made up of single cell? A. fish, B. human, C. dog, or D. amoeba. D. amoeba is the correct answer. Question number 22. The thin outer covering of cell is called cytoplasm, nucleus, cell membrane, mitochondria. C. cell membrane is the right answer. Question number 23. Which one controls all the activities of cell? A. vacuole, B. cytoplasm, C. cell wall, D. nucleus. A. vacuole is the right answer. Question number 24. The function of mitochondria is A. to control the cell growth, B. to protect the cell, C. to carry out respiration, D. to hold air, water, or particles of food. So C. to carry out respiration is the right answer.